This is Robot in 30 Hours, and we're doing mission 12, Feed the Whale. We use a fairly big mechanism for this, but luckily it's got no moving parts. We have this rod down here that will ram into the yellow part of the whale opening its mouth. And then up top here, we've got just a little shelf that once we do ram into the whale, the krill will be mounted on here, and we'll just slide off into it.
So to make the krill sliding into the whale easier, we assemble a little structure we like to call super krill. To assemble this structure, all you do is take one krill vertical and attach another krill horizontally onto its side. Then attach a third krill onto the first krill. Then, on each of the horizontal krills, attach a krill onto the back of each. Anyway. Then mount this structure upside down on these little wings.
During the start of the program, the robot has to be moving very slow to make sure the krill doesn't fall off the top. Good luck.